So you guys already know, the Genesis back here has a screen in the middle. The Highlander has a screen in the middle. Also, even the Honda Accord had a screen in the middle. Many vehicles come with screens in the middle nowadays, but there are some vehicles in the earlier years and or even till today that don't have screens in the middle. This video, I'm gonna show you a product that might be an interest for you. Hey guys, Go Christian, making more videos again. Today guys, we have two products. One of them right here is designed to give you a solution for not having a screen in the center of your vehicle, and the other one's a little bit something extra. So without further ado, let's get to it. So for this example video, I'm going to use this 2008 Mazda. Now, it did not come with a screen in the middle. I know what you're thinking. There's a screen right there. It's because I've already installed this bad boy right here. I'm going to show it to you in a second. But yeah, this is a simple, 2008 Mazda Miata right here. It's a pretty nice small car. It almost reminds me of like the, BMW Z vehicles. You know what I mean? It's actually not that bad. It's really nice. The seats are really nice in there as well. As you can see, it's not too shabby. Right now, I have the top down on this vehicle. Not too bad. Not too bad. Nice little rims going on. It's a really nice small car as a weekend fun driving vehicle, you know what I mean? But this vehicle originally did not come with a screen in the middle. In fact, this is actually what you get. You get this little, old school knobby. Most vehicles that don't have screens in the middle, you guys will know what I'm talking about. And so I decided, you know what, to give it a modern touch, why don't we just install a in-car entertainment system, essentially, aka putting a screen in the middle and then installing a backup camera, giving all the modern features that most cars come standard today with. I guess a little birdie decided to show up in my video today. Look at that. Hey, how's it going, dude? Oh well, it's not gonna bother me. It's just gonna go later on. But yeah, so here's the actual device right here. It's from a company called ATOTO, and it's their A6 product right here. And the reason why I got this, and I really wasn't even gonna make a video on this bad boy, because I was like, it has all these features and the reviews are great, you know what I mean? The reviews are great, but I just was like, I don't even know if I'm gonna make a video on this. But after I used it, and I saw how fast it is and how beautifully and seamless it works, I was like, I gotta make a review on this. Now, for you guys that know about in-car entertainment systems, putting your own screen in your vehicle pretty much is not gonna be plug and play whatsoever. So if you're the type of person that don't want to deal with all of the wires and hassles and wiring everything and stuff like that, and you want some type of screen in your vehicle, wireless and plug and play, this right here is the AutoVox M1W wireless parking system. Some of my friends that don't have screens in their vehicle always want a backup camera system, a dedicated backup camera system that's easy to use and it's pretty much plug and play, you know what I mean? So I recommended this for them. This is their AutoVox M1 system. Now, it doesn't have all the features that this guy has. It doesn't have like music and all that stuff, videos, maps, and all that, jazz. It does not have all that, okay? However, the one thing that this thing has is a backup camera. So this is basically a backup camera for your vehicle. And in this case, the Mazda did not come with a backup camera or anything like that. So this was a perfect solution for that. Let me just unbox this bad boy. There we go. Okay. Alrighty, I've unboxed this bad boy right here. This is the AutoVox box, and what it comes with is the actual screen right here for your backup camera, as well as a camera itself. So it's a really simple kind of almost plug and play system. As you can see, you just plug it in, and you're good to go. Here's the camera, here's the screen. Now, if your vehicle doesn't come with a screen, this is a perfect option if you just want a backup camera. Okay, if you want something else, an extra other than just a backup camera, you gotta go with something like this. This is the, like I said, this was the A6. You gotta go something like this if you want something extra other than just a backup camera. If you're the type of guy or girl that just wants a backup camera in your vehicle and very easy to install, you guys gotta go with the AutoVox, okay? This is gonna be so simple to install. I mean, you guys already know, look at this. Car charging port for the screen. Come on. It doesn't get any easier than that. It's actually that simple. It also comes with some literature on how to install it and stuff. Obviously, it's really simple to install. You just plug it into your car charger port, put it in the trunk area for your vehicle with the camera, put this in the front of your vehicle, so you can see what's going on back there, and you're good to go. So before I talk about this bad boy, the choice is actually yours, you know what I mean? Do you want to go for easy install and just a backup camera? Bam, this is it for you, the AutoVox. But if you want to go for hard install and have a lot more functionality like Google Play Store and all that, basically like an Android cell phone tablet in your vehicle that also does backup camera and stuff like that, this guy might be it for you. Make your choice. These both are awesome products. They both have great reviews. They both have different price points. let's go check out what this bad boy has to offer. Links to both of the stuff are gonna be in the description below. Before I forget to say that, and then I have all these comments for that. I'm looking at the little birdie up there. It's still like looking at me making my video here. It's kind of interesting. Yeah, it doesn't know how to get out. I actually tried opening the garage door all the way. It still didn't know how to get out. All right, let's continue to the A6. Now, when I say hard installation for this bad boy right here, I'm not actually saying it's like an insanely hard installation, okay? It's just not super easy and plug and play like this guy right here. That's all I'm saying. But you know, for the extra work that you do put into actually installing this guy nicely, neatly, and how I'm gonna show you how it looks, completely OEM almost, like seriously, and the extra added functionality that this guy gives you, I think this might be a really nice little thing to have in your vehicle. Okay, let's get into the actual Miata. Ooh, look at this. This is actually not a bad car. This is really not. MX-5 Miata right here. It's super low to the ground too. It's, you know, it's a low car. It's a lot smaller than the full-size Genesis back there. I mean, the Genesis is like huge compared to this guy, and then the space and stuff, but still, like, look at, I mean, the seats and stuff. Really nice looking vehicle. I love this color seats. Alrighty guys, I've made it in the actual vehicle, and now we're gonna look right here and look at how beautiful this installation looks, guys. Absolutely OEM. I just love that. You know what I mean? And if you remember in earlier the video, you saw how old and dingy looking the system was before, and now just so professional looking, so nice. And when I turn it on, I'll tell you why this Android system is the way to go. Okay, I know there's a lot of options where you can just have this type of screens and plug it in and stuff like that. However, I promise you, I've seen them, I've used them, they're not good. I promise you they're not good, and they don't have the features a actual Android device like this has. All right, let's get to it. There we go. Let me bring it really close to show you how this actually works. Now, for every car, it's going to be a little bit different to install this guy, okay? So in this Mazda Miata, I had to actually get this plate right here to make it fit for this vehicle. But for every vehicle, it's going to be a little bit different. But however, the wiring is pretty similar. Okay, this right here is not a video to install it. However, a video on how this product actually works and how, like, pretty flawless it is. All right, so here we go. Let's see. First of all, the vehicle looks already beautiful with this guy in here. I'm just gonna hit on settings and show you guys. Look, I mean, look at the speed of this guy. It's so fast. I mean, let me just hit home again and go back to settings. Look at that. It's already in settings menu and ready to go. I mean, the speed of this thing is just like, and its smoothness too. Look how smooth it is. Absolutely, just like a really nice Android phone, basically. That's why I love this thing. This is definitely not for everyone, but for people that are, you know, trying to get into getting a screen for the vehicle, I promise you there's no better system than an Android system. And this one actually, like I said, was really cheap, so that's why I decided to get it. Obviously, you can also connect this to your Wi-Fi. Okay, so it's connected to the Wi-Fi, as you can see up there in your house, and also you can do some type of tethering to your cell phone, so you can have Google Maps and stuff on here, as you can see. Now, you can also have YouTube. You can watch YouTube videos and stuff with this bad boy. It is really awesome. Let me just type in something. There we go. Let me just get this video on here. Look at, I mean, let me just full screen this guy. It's so smooth, so awesome.
Last look.
Alrighty guys, the time has look at this. The 2018 Honda Accord. Let me turn this volume down. Look at this, guys. We're making more videos again, and today, guys, we have the 2018 Honda Accord, and I want to show you guys, you know, show off to you guys. The music comes straight from the speakers. Everything is just fully connected properly. I mean, it's so flawless to use. You want to pause it, obviously. It's like an Android phone. You just pause it and stuff. You want to go home? Sure, go home. You want to go back in the app? Sure, you can go back in the app and then continue playing the video. It's exactly like an Android phone, but in your vehicle. I mean, I mean, this is awesome, guys. That's why I decided to get this device. It's so quick. Pandora, I mean, you got Pandora right here. There we go. It's already on. Then you can log in. You can sign up, whatever you want to do, obviously. If you use Spotify, you can download Spotify. I mean, it has the entire Play Store. Like I told you guys, do not, if you're looking for something like this, I mean, I'm telling you right now, this is the way to go. Go get an Android one. Don't get just some random software. It might be awesome, but you're not going to get like a full cell phone experience pretty much. So there's Spotify. I mean, I just downloaded some Spotify, downloaded some Google Maps. Here's some more apps that I've downloaded, and look how smooth it is. It's so smooth. smooth. And then finally, what is even awesome about this, I'm going to turn this on. I'm not going to actually turn on the vehicle, but what I'm going to do is put this in reverse, and this is the best part. Look at that. Just, you know, just so clean, seamlessly just goes into the backup camera. Let me put it back in park. Let's go hit it in reverse. There we go. Look at that. Just, I mean, so seamlessly the backup camera just turns on. I'm just gonna take it off reverse right here. Look at that. Simple, easy. Put it back on reverse. Like, it's so awesome. I told you I was not planning on putting this, but now that I have it on here, I just wanted to share with you guys how awesome this little device is. There is also a DVR mode on this thing that you can, you know, put another camera to record continuously. And there's many more things you can do. There's like, here's a USB port right here. If I want to tether, I mean, you can use your cell phone as a hotspot for this bad boy. There's a microphone right there for your, you know, calling and stuff. So basically it makes your vehicle from no screen, no Bluetooth capability to this amazing, awesome system. I made a video the other day about a nice little solution for Bluetooth, but what if your vehicle doesn't even come with a auxiliary port? Bam, this might be an option for you guys. I was truly amazed with this product. At night, looks so OEM and fresh with the lights in this vehicle too. As you can see, the vehicle lights are orange. These lights are like kind of orange, so it looks super fresh. And if you don't have a screen like this and you want to install something like this, check it out. Links are in the description below. Look at all the details, look at the specifications, look at the reviews, and I am loving this, and I know you will love it. Alrighty guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Links to purchase both of these two products are going to be in the description below. A lot of people have asked me in the past about how to get a backup camera if you don't even have a screen in your vehicle. Now you know. You have two choices. You can go the easy route and definitely works perfectly well and fine, or you can go a little bit more complex route and get a little bit more output for the amount of work you spent on your vehicle. Two different choices, two awesome products. Links to both of them are going to be in the description below. Like always, you guys already know it. Like I always say, look at the reviews, look at the description, look at the prices, and make an informed decision on what product is actually right for you. Going from this old system right here to the new system that's installed in this vehicle, absolutely amazing. That bird. Also guys, I don't normally say this, but if you want to get notifications to my videos when they actually come up and pop up, make sure you hit the little bell next to the subscribe button, and it will notify you exactly when my videos go up, and or if I go live or stuff like that. I might go live soon. A lot of you guys have been asking me about my gaming channel, and at the moment there's some complications to the gaming channel. I can't do it at the moment, so I might be going live on this channel from time to time. You never know. So make sure you hit that bell button to get you notified whenever. All the links to the products and also Facebook and Instagram and Twitter are going to be in the description below. Sometimes I still get questions about that. Make sure you guys know they're going to be in the description below. But there should be a subscribe button and also a video button popping right here. Make sure you click on for more videos in the future. But then guys, keep your share saying thanks for watching and peace.